Yo, welcome to my new YouTube channel. I guess this is just to bring on my journey. Let's tap into the charts again. This is my new YouTube channel, so everything's going to be a bit weird to begin with. So if you got any advice, I'm welcome to any criticism. But pretty much let's just do what I'm going to do. Oh, another thing also, I bought today 100k funded account from Top Step. So, if you want to follow along, but get yourself an account and let's kill April. But yeah, alright, so in the monthly, I'm seeing a change in the state of delivery with the March candle closing below the last down candle, which is an order block. So that's a big thing happening in the market right now. Also, going back this week, I was back testing, but this week I'll be trading today, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll be waiting till 8:15. Most likely I'll be waiting till high impact news comes out. Same as Thursday. Thursday will most likely be quite volatile, considering we have an non-farm employment change on Friday and Fed Chair Powell speak. So Friday might be very, very volatile. But today we're trading. First trade of the account. Let's kill it. But yeah, we got SMT at the highs. Last week price traded into this bearish weekly fair value gap, and this is what I'm seeing for this upcoming week. I'm seeing price draw into this swing lows, fairly swing lows. But yeah, already traded below last week's low and the previous like 2 weeks ago swing low. So yeah, we've saved quite a bit of liquidity, but that's how I'm seeing the weekly at the moment. Most likely gonna come out and trade into that, and that's if we respect this bearish weekly fair value gap. Otherwise we'll probably just continue drawing up here higher. It's something there, but that's what I'm seeing right now. Bro, today's been a long day. It's been a long day. But so same sort of thing here. Change in state of delivery, which is another confirmation. We also got SMT at these highs, which again another confluence. Already seeing price. We saw yesterday price make a bearish fair value gap in the daily time frame, which is a good sign for us to anticipate a move into this fair value gap and see what price does. I don't think that we're going to draw into this swing low as of yet, this weekly swing low, because I just think that we'll probably get a deeper retracement into this daily fair value gap. But yeah, in the 4 hour, bro, it's kind of weird just seeing yourself in camera like this, because I'm usually on the Instagrams and that. But yeah, again, we've just been drawing into this internal fair value gaps. This 4 hour. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing at the moment. Most likely we'll get some kind of something like this today, I think, and just draw into this area. Later in the week, it would ideally be the best possible scenario to see some SMT at the highs, and then we'd make a change of state delivery or inverse fair value gap, something along those lines. But yeah, today we're just gonna be most likely trading high, I think. I may be wrong, but that's just kind of what I'm seeing. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see in this account. I'm not for anything. I want to teach you guys stuff, recommend you, maybe do some like vlogs or something, I don't know. Stay in lives, shit like that. But yeah, in the London session, we've just been trading higher. We were able to take off from here in the Asia session. We didn't close below the fair value gap, which is a good sign. And we can see that there is imbalances there, which are going to be most likely a draw on liquidity for today. Now, let's jump into ES. Oh, let's see if there's any SMT right now. Maybe there's some SMT here in the Asian session. Not really, we haven't seen any SMT, so that's not really giving us a good indication if, what is this wick here? That's 9 AM, where's 9 AM? Yeah, so 9 AM yesterday put a big low. So yeah, I guess that maybe we'll see some lower time from SMT in here today, if it were to continue higher. Monthly, same sort of scenario. In yes, change in state delivery with SMT at the highs again, confirming the price has indeed reversed, and we are most likely going to start seeking some kind of fairly swing low sell side liquidity. Bro, today was hard. I went to the gym, I worked. I'm exhausted, man, but the grind must keep going, eh? Day the weekly fair value gap. Again, we traded into that. Oh no, look, we got some SMT down here, guys. Yeah, we do have some SMT, so that could be a good confirmation that we are indeed going to be seeking some kind of internal range liquidity until further notice. So that's pretty good. Creating fairly swing lows, good way to make drawn liquidities. Same sort of thing. We have multiple bearish fair value gaps. Another one here, which could become drawn liquidity for maybe Monday, Tuesday, and then see some big moves happen towards the end of the week. So yeah, same sort of thing. We're just going to be most likely drawing into this internal bearish range in the 4 hour. Same sort of thing. Good way to identify that we have inverted. So yeah, it's kind of just like showing all signs that we are going to be seeking some buy side liquidity in the next couple of days in the early week. But overall, you get the picture. In the 1 hour, same thing. I like to mark out my days like this. It just helps me focus on what's gonna happen on the day instead of like seeing such a big picture, if that makes sense. But there you go. Look at that. That's a good way to identify a drawn liquidity. But yeah, I mostly trade NQ. It's just I back test it a lot more, gives me better results. But yeah, I like to just see something like this come in, and then fucking, come in, seek those swing lows. Most likely start getting a range once we get into Wednesday and Thursday, most likely Thursday. Chair Powell might deliver some news and just absolutely melt the market or flip the market. Again, we've got to be looking out for inverts for value gaps here in the daily and the 4 hour. But yeah, that's it. I don't really know what else to say. Yeah, just give me suggestions on what you want to see, what videos you want me to do. I'll be doing trade recaps, win or lose. I want to be honest with this, so that's the one thing I do want to be. But yeah, if you guys want to join along, there's a good deal right now. It costs 127. I don't know why it says 158, but yeah. But yeah. Anyways, peace.